Ever struggled to come up with a strong opening line that grabs attention? You are not alone. According to Statista, the average person scrolls through over 300 feet of content on their phone every single day. That means your first sentence, your hook, has to stop the scroll or you disappear instantly. Here's the shocking truth. Without a powerful hook, even the best idea can get ignored. So how do you brainstorm great hook ideas for every niche without spending hours stuck? Let's break it down into 4 proven steps you can use right away. Step 1. Start with a pain or desire. People pay attention when they see themselves in your words. For example, instead of learn to budget, try tired of feeling broke by the end of every month. Pain and desire make your audience lean in. Step 2. Add curiosity. A hook should open a loop that people want closed. Example, the one mistake every beginner photographer makes and how to avoid it. Curiosity keeps people watching because they need the answer. Step 3. Use numbers or shocking facts. Numbers make your hook feel concrete and undeniable. Example, 3 out of 4 freelancers lose clients because of this simple mistake. Adding data gives instant authority. Step 4. Use AI to multiply your options. Instead of forcing yourself to write one perfect hook, generate 10 or 20 in seconds and pick the best. AI Creator Max has 100+ premium templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails, all built on proven marketing psychology like ADA, PASS, and more. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and you're done. Helps you write content 10x faster. Try it free. Link below. Bonus pro tip. Test hooks before using them. Post 2 or 3 options as quick polls or stories and see which gets the most engagement. This way you know which hook will perform best before you launch. Here is the big takeaway. Hooks are not magic. They are formulas you can repeat. When you combine proven patterns with AI, you never run out of fresh, attention-grabbing ideas for any niche. This video is part of a playlist that shows you how to use AI step by step to write smarter content. Keep watching to discover even more shortcuts that will grow your reach and sales. If this helped, hit like so more people find it, subscribe so you never miss the next lesson, and comment with the niche you create content in. And when you are ready to brainstorm unlimited hooks that match your brand in minutes, go to aicreatormax.com and start writing smarter today.